What's up, guys? Welcome to Dyna Demos. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego.
And today we're going to be putting the invisiVIN on my 2016 Dyna Lowrider S. Everybody's doing this, and there's a lot of good pictures and videos on how to do it. But what we wanted to do is we wanted to show how it looked with the invisiVIN OG crash bar and how it looked with the invisiVIN Dyna crash bar.
So please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll have all the products listed in the description. Thank you.
Alright guys, so we're going to be putting this on. Like I said, I wanted to see how it fit on my invisiVIN OG crash bar. Alright, that's like the one thing that I was worried about when I ordered this. So I watched a video on YouTube actually of a guy that had a crash bar very similar to Lego's crash bar, and when he put it on, he had it kind of canted a little bit. So I'm just going to measure it real quick, show you guys how long it is, and might answer some questions for you guys, hopefully. I don't know if they have any of this information on the website. To tell you the truth, I didn't even really look, but it's about 11 inches long. So if you order the one for a 2006 and up Dyna, you're going to get the 11-inch invisiVIN. So right now I'm going to open it up, and we're going to see how it looks and how it fits with my crash bar. And this is it. It's just a magnet. That's all it is. It's a piece of steel with these two magnets right here. So, and by the way, these have like felt on them, so you don't have to worry about these like gouging up your frame or anything. All right, like I said, it's 11 inches long by looks like 1 3/4 wide. So let's see. And that's all it is right there. See how I think it looks a lot cleaner. I see a lot of cool pictures, a lot of before and afters of guys putting them on their bikes. This is pretty sturdy. We'll do a ride test with it, but I don't think this is gonna fall off. This thing is on there pretty sturdy. You gotta use a little bit of muscle to take it off. It covers the VIN sticker. You can see it doesn't impede the crash bar. Now we're gonna go over to Lego's bike. You saw how it looked with the invisiVIN OG crash bar. Now we're gonna see how it looks with the invisiVIN, just the regular Dyna crash bar. All right, like I said, the video I watched of the guy, he like put it on here and he had to cant it because his crash bar was way too close to the frame. Well, the invisiVIN crash bar, you got about a finger width in between the frame and the crash bar, so this thing's gonna go on and it's gonna look good. Yep. That's what it looks like. As you can see, looks pretty good. All right, guys, so you might be asking yourself, why do I need an invisiVIN? Well, nobody needs one, but I think you need one if you want to cover up your VIN without like scraping it off. Scraping it off, I'm pretty sure, is illegal to mess with the VIN sticker. So this is a good way if you need to ever get your bike inspected from your state or whatever the case may be, to just put this magnet piece of metal on here. And if you ever need to take it off for inspection, like I said, you just pop it off and then you just pop it back on. And it really cleans up, in my opinion, cleans up the frame. If you don't believe me, look at the other pictures on Instagram. They have a lot of great pictures of before and after on their bikes, and in my opinion, it really cleans up the bike. It looks really good. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now you can see that if you're running the OG invisiVIN crash bar or the Dyna crash bar, that the invisiVIN will fit. That was the biggest question that we had when we ordered it. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego, and make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.